My name is Alvin Ross Rafada Passion Carpio, son of Rosalito Carpio. He died when I was 9 years old. I was a child. People tell me about my father, my papa, a man I loved, a man though I never knew.
I'm not religious anymore. I couldn't be after the hell that was brought after you were gone. But here I am talking to you, as if you can hear me. As a kid, first off, I was really sad that you left us. I cried a lot, actually. I was fucking angry with the world. And then I rebelled, I stole, I lashed out.
A long time has passed since then. 25 years now. 25 years. In this time, if there's anything that my dad taught me, it is this. Family is the most important thing in the world. Every single moment of life is beautiful.